Alright, so guys, I'm pretty scared about something because I've been hearing it. It was like I was going to make like a little Christmas toy showing thing, but like weird thumping noises coming from upstairs, like when I was introducing my new little plushie toy. Let me show you it. Let me turn the brightness up so you don't feel a little scared. That's my dad over there. I feel a little bit scared. I don't know why I hear thumping noises upstairs. My mom's not here. She's at my other grandma's house, and my dad is right here, and I think he's coming to get something in the kitchen to eat. I'm pretty scared. I was just going to show out my Christmas toys though, but then a thumping noise coming from upstairs, annoyed, like um distracted, and I got scared and thought it was something else in there upstairs, or it was I don't know. I think it was just nothing, and my ears are playing tricks on me. I don't know. I'm pretty scared. I don't know, guys. I just feel a little bit unsettled because of that thumping noise. Anyways, bye.